guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers: A is 3, B is 4, C is 5 and D is 6. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these step quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming. Now move forward to solve the given expression. Here we have to see first step, which is bracket or parenthesis. So according to the rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. So we can skip this step here. Now move forward to solve the exponent part or order of operation. So now we do not have any number which has the power, so we can skip this step as well. Now move forward for division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. One more thing, you cannot say like I'm using the BODMAS, so I will solve the division first. And someone says I'm using the PAMDAS, I will solve the first multiplication. No, rule is same for both. You have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 20 divided by 4, which is equals to 5. So we have to write like this. And divided by 5 multiplied by 3, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out division and multiplication. Now we have this division, which is 5 divided by 5. So we will divide this two terms, 1 multiplied by 3. And here we have to give the reference 5 divided by 5 equals to 1. Now move forward, we have two terms which are multiplying each other. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 3. So the answer of the given expression is 3. If you see the answer list, answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.